Fireworks at the Castle by Matthew Fitz. Fireworks at the castle going whisht, whisht, whisht. Bairns in the library getting whisht, whisht, whisht. Candle iron brill going squishety, squishety, squish. Football in the playground getting dushety, dushety, dush. The snow blows and flying away, and it's your tease, tease, tease. We go skidding on with sledges doing the breeze, breeze, breeze. The rain comes down in buckets, and it's wheat, wheat, wheat. Your teeth is fair, fair sweeties, and it's greet, greet, greet. Your oats wee pals, and all the time it's blether, blether, blether. But when all things wrong and no going right, just go and tell your mither. When all things wrong and no going right, just you'll curry in wee mither.